Hi guys, I'm back again and it is time for a lift tour. This time I'm in a place called Whitianga and I'm filming at some random hotel somewhere. And well, I wasn't very impressed by the lifts, as you'll soon see. Now let's go to the first lift, which goes to floors ground 1 and 2, and it's a stupid generic. Urgh, hate generics. Here we have a lift in Whitianga. It's a generic lift made by Phoenix. Oh, so these are the buttons, those are indicators. I think it's hydraulic. Oh, I don't know. Oh, here it is. Like I say, this is a generic. Here we are. Let's go down the G. Yeah, this is Hydro. Phoenix Elevators Limited, maintained by Associated Lifts. Here it is. Here we go. The ground. Oh, there's an indicator on this floor as well. That's knackered. There it goes. That's it. And now let's go to the next lift. Hopefully it'll be a better lift than that stupid generic. No, it's another stupid generic, the same as the last one. Bugger! Here's another generic. Whitianga. That button. No idea what type of button that is. Here it is. No chime on this one. Exactly the same as the last one. The indicator doesn't glitch like that in real life, that's just the camera. Here we are, back at ground. Here we are. Here it goes. That's it. And now let's go into the other building of the hotel. This building also has the same floor numbering as the other building. Now, looking at the call buttons, it has got 90s Schindler Call buttons, but it says Phoenix Elevators above the call button, the same generic company that made the other lifts. And on the inside, the lift is a generic, the same as the others. So why does it have 90s Schindler Call buttons? It's not old enough to be a modernised lift, so how this happened, I have no idea. Here is the last lift. It says it's another Phoenix, but the buttons are Schindler. Oh yeah, look. It's another generic. Just got Schindler Call buttons. Hydraulic, some indicators burned out. Maintained by Associated Lifts. We are back at ground. Weird though. Schindler Call buttons on a generic lift, unless it's modernised, but I don't think it is. Here it goes. Well, it's about to go. There it goes. That's